Hello friends, my name is Suel Saudagar. Today date is 10 October 2022. Today topic is features of Java. Java is a high level programming language. They get developed by James Gosling in 1995 and Microsystem. I will explain various features of Java one by one. First feature Java in object oriented. Object oriented means a class based. In a Java, everything in an object is a easily exit science. It's a but based on the object model. Means object oriented means it's all over coded include in a inside a class in a Java. So second feature is a platform independent. Platform independent means you can use various platform in a Java. Same coding you can run various platform in a Java. Means you can run Java. You can write a Java program and run Java program in a Windows based computer, Linux based computer, Parrot operating system, and Kali Linux and various Android application. You can run any types of platform. You can run Java program and compile Java program. Third feature is a simple. It is a very simple language. Actually, this is a high level language. लेकिन it is a simple to learn, simple to easy to learn म्हणजे easy to learn and easy to understand. Is a simple language. You can start gain your in a Java knowledge. You can after a few months in a masters. Not a एकदम tough language. It's a simple language. And fourth point is a architecture natural. Java compile guarantees and architecture natural object file format while makes a compiled code executable many processor with maybe process of the Java runtime system. Secure. Secure means fourth point is a secure. Secure means a Java provide various types of security in a Java programming language, with Java enable to develop virus free temperature code, free system application in a virus free code in the developed and portable. Being architecture natural, having independent accept the specification makes the Java portable and fourth and last second last is a robust. Java makes a effort assemble to pronym to ready to suitable by establishing many compile error checking in a runtime debugging. Means Java program has to run self program to check, and it is a multi-threaded. You can complete one time at a multitasking. This is called as a multi-threading. And interpreted. Java bytecode translate to the machine code. Interpreted means a compile language machine code to bytecode. That means interpreted. And high performance means you can write 4-5 lines of code. Actually performance is a high level performance. That is a main feature is a Java. Distributing dynamic. Java is considered to more dynamic than C and C++. मतलब this language is the advance of C and C++. This is the best language. This is a Java's future. Thank you.